video. So I'm back with a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys my hair right now. It's really funky and dirty. I'm going to be using the Joico K-Pack line on my hair, as well as my detangling comb that I got from some pharmacy to detangle my hair. Here I'm showing you guys the moisturizing mask that I use. It's by Una. It's a salon brand, really good. It does have mineral oils in there and some hydrolyzed protein, so if you're not into that, then obviously don't buy it. I'm just distributing that all throughout my hair, mostly focusing on my ends and making sure that I get it not too close to my roots so that I can wash it out pretty easily. I love this deep conditioner. It keeps my hair moisturized, and I personally think it's what helped my hair grow, which you guys will see later on. And I will be using a detangler, what is it called? A tangle teaser on my hair to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth. All the shed hairs are out that did not come out from the comb. And yeah, pretty much self-explanatory, so that's why I sped it up. So after I detangle, I use my Q-Redo. If you guys have not seen this before, it is a hair steamer. I've had it for about a month or two, and I love it. I have not sat under a dryer in months. I don't know when's the last time I've done that. But anyways, the reason why that you deep condition, especially before you do a flat iron or blow dry style, is because you want to put as much moisture in your hair as possible, because remember, you're drying out your hair when you blow dry it and flat iron it. And you don't want your hair to be extra dry before you do that, and adding on heat will cause it to break, split, all the bad things that you don't want to happen. So I make sure that my hair is super moisturized before I put my hair under all that stress. After I steam my hair, I did put on a conditioning cap for about an hour or two. If I know myself, I probably fell asleep with the conditioning cap on, and it's pretty self-explanatory. If you don't have a steamer, I would recommend you just sit under the dryer for about an hour with your conditioning cap on, or if you want to sleep overnight, you can do that. So we coming down to the end. I just put my heat protectant in there. That's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. I'm going to put all of that down below, so don't worry about it. Right there, I'm taking my Denman brush and just detangling my hair. It makes the drying process easier because my hair naturally clumps. And when it clumps, it doesn't want to dry fast enough. I'm sorry, my face was ashy, so I had to put a little lotion on. Anywho, I'm taking my Denman brush dryer from Revlon. It is on, no, it's on high. Yes, it's on high. And I'm just brushing that through my hair, starting towards the ends, and then I'm bringing it up. It's a little hot on my neck. That's why I made that face. Anywho, though, I'm doing that in sections. Reason being is that if I leave my hair in a huge bunch, it's not going to dry. I have low porosity hair, so it takes forever for my hair to dry. That's another trait of low porosity hair. Something that I don't like at times, but it's cool. So I'm blowing my hair out. As y'all can see, I got a little length. I'm going to put some before pictures when I cut my hair back in March, and y'all can see the growth for real. After I blow dry, I definitely do braid my hair down, because if not, the humidity and whatever little funky stuff is in the air is going to make my hair shrink up, and I do not like that. So that's all I'm doing here. I also did put in a leave-in conditioner prior to this clip. The leave-in conditioner that I use is the Mayel Organic Spray-In Leave-In Conditioner. I believe it's called the White Peony. I'm going to also put that down below. Putting a leave-in conditioner in your hair prior to blow drying and flat ironing, etc., adds onto the moisture that I was talking about prior, so that your hair is not breaking, and it also gives it a nice little sheen. This leave-in conditioner is very light, and it's perfect for blow drying your hair or flat ironing styles. I love it. I'm telling y'all, it's the truth. So this step right here, where I'm putting in the Design Essentials Silk Infusion or Silk Essentials Serum in my hair, I usually do that before I even blow dry, but I totally forgot. and I had to put it in while my hair was dry. I didn't see much of a difference in terms of how my hair came out, besides the fact that my hair wasn't as weighed down as if I were to put it in while it's wet. So here I'm just going to put it all throughout my hair, put my hair up, and put it into a small section for me to flat iron. It's good to do your hair in very thin, small sections so that you can get a silkier slash better flat iron. I'm using the Kaposi Titanium Flat Iron from Amazon. I have it on 410. I'm going to tap my roots about 2 to 3 times and then chase it with the rat tail comb. Sometimes I do use a bristle brush, but I cannot find one, so yeah, we're just going to have to hold that with this, okay? So I'm finally to the top of my head. I'm about to go over my hair one more time. So I do 2 passes of the flat iron. This time I'm going to up the heat to 430. Reason being is my hair doesn't really get that straight on 410. It's just easier for me to manage and get through my hair once it is flat ironed, like to get a better press out. If that makes any sense? I have a lot of hair and I get tired, so as you can see, I'm doing it again. I'm putting my hair up. I'm going to do it in sections. And also, while I do have it on 430 and I'm doing my second passes, I'm going to try to bump my ends a little bit. It's a little harder for me with the bigger flat iron. So that's what I'm doing here. Gonna just go over my hair real quick. I do up it to 440 when I get to the middle slash the sides of my head because my hair is a little bit coarser. It's about 4A, whereas the back of my head is about 3C and a little bit more heat resistant. I just burned myself, oh my god. So yeah, it's very self-explanatory, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm finally finished with my hair. I'm about to add the design essentials to it and wrap it. I'm going to wrap it and put it under a plastic cap. Putting it under the plastic cap and then sitting under the dryer gives you a silkier finish and your hair lays a little bit flatter. I don't know why. I just seen it on YouTube, so I'm trying it too. I've done it before and it really does work. You're going to see in the next couple clips. I'm going to add that serum all the way down to my ends. And I'm going to take a comb to get through my hair and then a Denman brush to actually wrap it. The plastic cap, the reason why I'm using it is because the saran wrap is a little bit harder for me to wrap around my noggin. I don't know why, but it's just easier for me to take the cap, put it on top of my head, and tuck my hair in. So yeah, you guys are going to see that in the next couple clips. I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. I think I explained that in a clip after this, so keep watching. So this is like the saran wrap. Nothing, I just don't feel like putting saran wrap on my head. I just do this when I'm finished with my silk wraps. Well, my silk presses. Sorry if y'all hearing a lot of noise. I'm trying to, it's not covering the back of my head. Trying to get everything in. Everything. I'm sorry if y'all see me looking over there. My mirror's over there. And I do apologize for the lighting. I was using natural light, and then I'm using my LED lights in my room. So I'm gonna try to edit it so y'all can see me, and yeah. So I'll be back. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes on, I'm probably gonna put it on low heat. I don't wanna put it too high and I start sweating. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So I sat under the dryer for 10 minutes. I don't think I slid it on my hair. I just have a little kink right there from where I twisted the shower cap. And apparently when you sit under the dryer with the saran wrap, or in my case a plastic wrap, it makes your hair more silky, and I can attest it does work. Minus that little problem. Wow, my hair is very long. It has grown since March. So this is my hair now. Let me see. I don't know where it is right here. I wish I could take a picture so I could see, but I'm filming. So yeah, this is my hair now. I do have some split ends. I'm probably gonna ask my cousin to cut them maybe sometime this week. I have dry, I don't know, I'm sorry guys, I'm looking over there. My mirror's over there. But I've been experiencing a little bit of dry scalp. My edges, I'm gonna flat iron. I have, well, someone in my house has a very small flat iron. I'll go over it with that. Some people use a hot comb. But me and the hot comb, we don't really get along that well. So typically I will do my hair on a side part, but being that it's hot, I don't want my hair in my face. So just gonna do a middle part. Middle. It's very light. It's not weighed down. I think that is because I did not put the silkening serum in my hair while it was wet. I do find now that I've done it this way that if I put it in when it's wet, I can't tell whether or not my hair has enough in it. And I usually put like a dime size amount in each section because I feel like it's not getting anywhere. But I feel like this way was better because now my hair, it still has the shine and all that good stuff, but it is not as weighed down. Me personally, I don't care if my hair's weighed down because I just use dry shampoo, to be honest. And I spray it on my hair and it loosens it up. But for the most part, some people don't like that. I did, towards the crown of my head and the sides, I did up the heat to 440. I know some people don't like that. I do that because, like I said, the crown of my head and the sides are very heat resistant. To the back, I did 430 because the back is very, very like sensitive. I don't know, my hair is very loose in the back, loose curled in the back. Almost halfway through my head is very loose curls. Then right here is a bit tighter. I think the back is like 3C, and then right here is 4A. And then right here is like 3C again, and then the sides are like 4A. So I always struggle with that, so I did up the heat. I did put heat protectant, as you guys saw. Even the silkening serum, I think, has heat protectant properties, so I'm not tripping. Also, I'm not really scared of heat damage because I do protein treatments pretty regularly, especially right before I do a silk press, and after I always do a protein treatment. And the deep conditioner that I showed you guys has protein in it, a lot of protein actually. And yeah, I should be fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial. I'm also doing like a length check. It's a very easy tutorial. So again, I hope you guys liked it. I'm probably gonna come back and put some pictures in. I'm really like shocked as to how much my hair grew, but I've been taking really good care of it. Look at this. Ooh, it's going right in a bun. Period. But I hope you guys liked it. Later.